Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can build a desktop PC from scratch. You can find various compatible parts for the lowest price and you can visualize the parts and build it. So for this you can come to this website. It's called buildcores.com. So now once I enter this website I can see entire different parts of the laptop. So I'm in desktop. So if you see here, click on start building. Now you will see various parts of your system. This is the CPU. I can add motherboard, GPU, RAM. Now if I go to CPU, now I can choose various CPU that is available in the market by filtering on various factors. So let's say I want the highest build. So I'll say 5.7 gigahertz. Okay, so now I'll add the motherboard. So it will show me all the compatible motherboards there. So okay, so let me add this. Now comes to the GPU. For GPU I'll say add this. Now RAM. So it's suggesting me various RAMs. So these are the ones that is compatible. Okay, so the compatible filter is on. So I'll add this RAM. Now it's asking for a CPU cooler. Okay, I'm putting this Panorama SC water cooler. Okay, so for the storage it's asking me the storage. So I'll say 1000 GB. Power supply. Okay, so I'll say this 750 watt. So what it will show me is that it will show me the total cost with the breakdown, compatibility, the power consumption in watts. Then if I click on this, select a 3D case for me to show the 3D visualization. So let me put this. Okay, this looks good. This is the case of it. Now it will show me the visualization of all the parts that I have put across here. Okay, so it is generating that build. So this is the case in RGB. You will also see a 3D mark score. So what does this 3D mark score tell me? So this 3D mark score, once I sign up here, it will show me the frames per second and performance details I would get for various games, whether it is Counter-Strike 2, Fortnite or Valorant, all those games. Now you see the parts that I have procured in this. I can see it here. So this is the RAM, I guess. Yeah. So this is the processor. All those things I can see from here. So now once I do all those things, then I can just build it and order the product and pay for it. So this is the product. So this is the webcam, microphone, monitor, case, fan, all those things. So I'll complete the other things also. Once I do all those things, I can make a purchase. See this? You see the parts getting installed one by one. Okay, so I'll just go back and I'll show you one which has already been built. So all AMD red. Okay, so here you will see all those parts have been already been installed. Right now this is the current build. So based on this I can even order this particular laptop. I mean desktop.
Subscribe now.
So you see this.
And press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So in this way you can build custom